Hello everyone, David King here from Flow Mobile Surveying. This week we are pushing out an update to our dashboard that gets rid of the navigation. Kind of. It's actually just hidden away behind this menu here. So in this video I just want to talk about the changes to the dashboard and how that's going to affect our users in the future. So in order to understand why we've decided to get rid of the navigation, we need to have a look at the old dashboard. So let's just have a look at that now. And as you can see, we have this big sidebar over here. And actually this is a fairly traditional dashboard layout. You have a title across the top, your navigation down the side, and then your main content area over here. So it's a good design because it means that no matter where you are on potentially a complex system, you can always, see where you can go from there. But in reality, for us, it's not appropriate. So let's just have a look at that now. On the sidebar here, we've got a bunch of links. And so it kind of makes sense to have that sidebar because there are lots of options. But in reality, actually, all of these links here below the word super, they are just for Paul and I. These are internal tools that we use to manage and maintain our clients' accounts. So we can forget about them. We can hide them away somewhere else, somewhere more appropriate. So that really only leaves the schedule of jobs and the users list. And because when you go to the dashboard, the default is the schedule, well, you don't need to click that. And people don't actually edit their users that frequently. So again, we could probably hide that away. And actually above that, we've got the company name, and your email address. And here's the thing, you know what they are. So we don't have to tell you who you are. So with that in mind, we've now got this, big sidebar with 1.5 links in it. And it's not really a good use of the screen. So one of the things we've noticed recently is we had a look at our analytics, and we saw that some of our users were on fairly small monitors, about yay size. And, it is usable, it's okay, but really we're not maximizing the real estate there. So again, that was another reason for us to think about, getting rid of this sidebar here. So on the new layout, that same screen, you're getting a bit more data. You can see more information. And one of the other features that we've added in with this is when you're scrolling on these big tables, the table headers are now sticky. So we've got this sticky header and a sticky column over here as well, so that you can always get in and edit a job. So we think these changes are, technically they were fairly minor, quite easy for us to do, but they're a big improvement to our product for our users. Especially those with smaller monitors like this. And anyone who has a bigger monitor, it just means that you can see some more data. And actually, even though we're showing a lot of information on this screen, technically I would call this less cluttered because we are being careful about just showing you appropriate information. So in terms of clutter, obviously when you remove things, we remove the sidebar, we have made it less cluttered. So we think this is a good step for our product. And really, the reason I want to show you these changes is just to demonstrate that we are constantly improving our product, even if it's just in minor ways, like thinking about the navigation of the system. So if you want to know anything more about Flow Mobile Surveying, if you want to have a look at our report generation, any of our templates, or seeing how the system works, please get in touch. We're always happy to do a demo. In fact, just get in touch anyway if you want to talk about anything else as well. So I hope you're all having a lovely week, and I will speak to you soon. Toodaloo.